My name is Adiel, a geologist, exploration geologist. Yeah, what I was saying, now we are standing on the hill which is composed, which is underlain by graphite schist, okay, plus the gneiss. And as you can see, this float contains flakes of and interbands of graphite schist as well. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it is hard to see the bedrock outcrops. So as I was saying earlier, we needed to put some trenches so that we can expose it and map it properly and collect some samples from the...
So in your hand you have a rock?
Yes, yeah, as you can see, this is a graphite schist. You can see the streak of it. And, yep.
Did you come to this point before?
Yes, I did. When I was doing reconnaissance mapping last year in June 2012.
Okay.
Yeah, and this ties well with regional geological mapping, which was done previously by British.
That's 60 years ago?
Yeah, 1959 to 1960, by British Geological Survey. So you can see this on the existing maps, which are published here.
Well, my name is Ezekiel Kihali. I'm the partner to Extra Tony's lawyers for Carbon Noir. And here is
Miss Christina Yuju, working for Nyamongo Tanzania Limited and part of Exo Attorneys.
Great.
Well, we've come here to visit a new property of Carbon Noir in Morogoro region, Mahenge. And pretty much it has been an experience. As you can see, it's raining. The area is, most time of the year it's rainfall, but the roads are very accessible, and pretty much the infrastructure and the little town here is a place which is nice. The people are good, and from what the geologist has said, I think there will be good results after their studies from the area. Speaking as a lawyer and as a Tanzanian, we do have a great geopolitical environment. And pretty much we are experiencing a good number of investors and people who are coming to invest here and have been here for years, and more people are coming in. So pretty much in terms of business, this is the area to be, and more exploration and more new places with mining such as graphite are being founded. So I think for Carbon Noir, it is one of the great opportunities.
Great. Thanks very much.